Well, it's me. After a long, hard work week last week, and winning the contest and putting in so many hours, I decided to get a hotel last night. So I, couldn't afford Mar-Lago, so I took the Spanish version. There's a hotel nearby that's Margot Lar. So, anyways, Mar-Lago. Yes, that's what. Yeah, they play on words. I guess the Spanish version. They talk backwards a lot of times. So, anyways, the got a shower, got ready to go today. Check this out. See if we can see these. Yep. Sandals with the long socks. That's kind of a sexy thing down here. All the old men go for it. If you want to pick up the old women, you got to dress the part. So I stayed here. It's not exactly 5-star accommodation. It is. I did use both beds. Wanted to get my money's worth, but I felt safe here. They have really good security. There was at least 6 or 8 police cars out here and a helicopter flying overhead. And I thought, let me go take a picture of this. And as went out the door, the cop said, go back in. So I feel safe. I mean, what more security could you ask for? Nothing like hearing the dogs barking and some man screaming in the bushes half a mile down the road to make you feel secure about where you're at, right? Well. So today I'm going to get back to work, try to make enough money. We're going to go to the Keys here the next day or two. That's where I really want to go. So that's where we're heading next. We'll holler at you later, my beaches.